Hey, how's everybody doing today? So I have a Canon G7X Mark II here, and I'm going to show you how to format the SD card when it's actually inside the camera. So first thing is, let me just start from the very beginning here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off here. And to make things easier, go ahead and set this to M for manual. Oops, right there, M for manual. Go ahead and fire up your camera. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and tap on menu here. And then what we want to do is, you're probably on right here on the camera icon. What you want to do is go ahead and tap on the wrench icon. And then we're on number one right now, number two, number one. Just go to number one and you can see the third one down. It says format. So let me click on that and you can see I use 2.3 gigs out of 30 gigs on my SD card. And down here it says low level format. You can go ahead and click on that check mark there. The only thing you got to do is click on info here and you see the check mark. Okay, I'm not going to do a low level format. I'm going to go all the way. So I'm just going to leave it unchecked. And then what you want to do is you can press OK, or make sure you just slide over, make sure OK is highlighted, and then go ahead and select set or OK, or you can tap on that. I'll just go ahead and tap on the set here and then give this, oops, and it says all data on the memory card will be erased. I'm going to go ahead and click on OK, give this a second, and memory card formatting complete. There you go. So my SD card is back to empty. Let me go ahead and click on that. And that's pretty much it. I'm ready to rock and roll again. Hope you guys found this how-to video informative. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.